What's going on, guys? We're going to look at BNTC real quick, and then I'm going to talk about Tesla later. But right now, look, I got a question about BNTC. I really have nothing to say about this stock. If anybody knows me really about how I trade, you would know that I absolutely hate trading things that look like this. Okay, another one that I hate trading that looks like this is Mullen. Okay, just straight down. I mean, straight down. Also, pardon my voice. I lost my voice. I was singing some songs. I actually sung a lot of them on Saturday. But guys, look straight down. Okay, and you can see we have some volume coming in. Hud Mullen, that's fine. I don't care. I don't want the one pop and then it's done. That might happen with all this volume. I don't know. I don't care. I want to be intelligent with my money, right? So I really do not like trading stocks like this, guys. And I mean, look at this. Just look at this, especially if you look at the financials, guys. Where's my I need the graphic. They've got way more debt compared to assets, guys. So this is a company that looks like to me they're struggling, and straight down like this can mean a couple things. They can either be diluting, and investors are like, no, they're just gonna keep diluting us. I'm not gonna want to invest in this. And whenever news comes out that's quote unquote bullish and you get an algo spike or something like this, retail's buying, but smart money is selling into the buying, guys. I would never touch a stock like this with 10-foot pole. Also, guys, this is not financial advice, okay? Do not take anything I say. This is all my opinion, okay? So don't come back at me and say, oh my gosh, you told me not to buy. Look, it's up, 1,000% or whatever. It can probably do that. I don't know. I don't care. I'm not going to buy this. This is not something that I would want to buy, okay? But let's look at it in terms of if you were going to buy it. If you were going to buy it, you're going to want to see the squeeze through this 36 to 75 or this 25 to 75 zone. Okay, this is going to be a low volume zone. We're going to want to pass through it because, guys, this is where we're running out of buyers. Understand, low volume means we're out of something. And if we're coming into low volume from the bottom side, that means we're going to be out of buyers. If we're coming into the low volume from the top side, that means we're going to be out of sellers. And if we're going to be coming into the low volume from the bottom side and we're holding into the low volume from the bottom side, we're going to be actually increasing volume, and we could be increasing buyers into the low volume, and that could be moving higher, and eventually we blow past it and we could see, let's see, where's the next one? It'd probably be around $1, if I would say. It'd probably be somewhere around $1. But guys, let's just keep it real, okay? I would never buy this. Let's not say never. You never know. But guys, this just tells me the way the price is moving. Why would you want to buy it? Okay. Why would you want to put your money behind this? Is this a company that you know? Do you see it? Do you talk about it? Do you feel it? Does your family know it? Do your friends know it? Do your cousins know it? Does your mom know? Do people know about this stock, and are they going to be interested in investing? If you can't tell other people about this stock and say, hey, here you go, look at this, doesn't this sound like something cool I want to put my money in? And people are like, wow, you know what, that does sound cool, that does sound like something you should put your money in, then maybe you shouldn't be buying it, guys. I know there's plenty of risky investments out there and plenty of things that you can invest in that, oh my God, it just spiked, I made 10,000%, oh my goodness. Guys, I understand that, that's fine, but look, you can't do that consistently, okay? You can't do this for a living if that's what you're going to do. So if you want to trade the stock market for a living, if you want to invest for a living, if you want to make money off your money for a living, you have to be very smart about where you put your money. Especially, guys, think about Shark Tank. People don't just go on Shark Tank and are like, hey, here's my product. Boom. Here's some money. Nobody just does that, right? They say, okay, is your product selling? Okay. What's it priced at? Etc., etc. Guys, they have questions. They want to know data. They want to know everything. They want to see the product. They want to see how it works. They want to see how they like it. Does it match with their values, etc., 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 guys? So do not be the guinea pig in this stock. Do not be the guinea pig in any stock where you're the one that's keeping the stock alive by you still buying it, etc., etc. Guys, clearly investors don't want to touch it, so why are you touching? I'll tell you something that clearly investors do want to touch. Look at Home Depot. I'll tell you something that clearly investors do want to touch. Look at AutoZone. I'll tell you something that clearly investors do want to touch. Look at Lowe's. Look at the S&P 500. Oops, sorry. Look at the VIG. Guys, you want to be buying companies that you know. You want to be buying companies that have volume, where the investors are. Okay? I mean, look at Coinbase. Coinbase is tradable. It's still ranging, but guys, I'm still not going to invest in this. I mean, very clearly it says that the investors don't want to buy this, right? We've been failing zones. We fail. You know, and we're kind of accumulating now, but I'm not going to invest in this until I see investors starting to really appreciate this, until crypto is now becoming a household name, etc., etc. I'm not going to be buying something like this, guys. Look at Netflix, okay? This is okay to buy. Apple, Amazon, Raytheon. I mean, guys, use your brain, okay? Don't be putting your money if you don't understand, if you can't tell somebody about it, if you can't obsess about it, etc., etc. Guys, don't just be putting your money and being the guinea pigs, okay? I know that's a little bit harsh, but I'm serious. I would never buy this, guys. Understand this. This is just risk. There's no need to add risk into already risky business. There's no need to do it, okay? And if you were going to do it, if you wanted to take the risk, guys, this is the zone you're going to want to watch for. It's going to be that 35 zone all the way up to the 75. Okay, watch for that. Probably going to get sellers there. And if you're not getting sellers there, you're seeing buyers there, it probably go to $1, okay? That's my best guess. And this is not financial advice. I don't have a crystal ball. I don't know much about the stock market, okay? I'm still only 4 years into the trading and investing in stocks. I'm very, very small compared to so many people out there. So, look. Who knows? Maybe smart money's all over this. Buying. One day it's going to spike, blah, blah, blah. But very clearly, I am not going to be buying this, okay? And very clearly, I wouldn't recommend anybody be investing in this, okay? That doesn't mean it's never going to jump. Doesn't mean never going to do anything. No, it doesn't. It probably will now that I'm hating on it. But I'm not about it, all right? I would never touch anything like this. If anything, I would maybe buy Mullen, maybe, because me and Mullen have a little bit of history and it's at least got volume. But other than that, I'm out, guys. You know my take on stocks that look like this, and if you don't, now you know. Okay, so big no for me. Okay, big no. And understand this, guys, if you ever see candles that look like this, that's not something you should, number one, be trading. And number two, that just tells you that there is no volume. And where there's no volume, I am not going to be in it. All right? Have a good one. Thanks. Oh, you know what? Let's talk about Tesla real quick. Those 270 calls today on Tesla are pretty nice. They were paying hard. Guys, look at this nice imbalance here we've seen from 266 to 267. We still have orders there that need to be filled. We just squeezed right through them. We didn't come down and come back down and fill the rest of those orders, okay? We got a nice demand imbalance there. So I'm going to be waiting for it to come back down. Maybe we get it during power hour. Maybe we get it during power hour the next day, but I'm going to try and get it there. Also, look at this nice low volume zone there, okay? Perfect to make some good percent gains as we move quickly through low volume zones. Remember, low volume means quick moving, all right? Have a good day. Yeah, sorry my voice. It's pretty bad, but you know what? We're getting it anyways, all right? Have a good one.